Hello everyone! I am so excited because I'm finally opening my Restyling Exchange package from Michele. This has been sitting on my sewing room table for like weeks because she finished it so fast, and I wanted to finish, or at least mostly finish hers before I opened what she did for me. So I'm almost done with what I'm doing for her. I'm putting the finishing touches on it tonight to mail it out tomorrow, just in time for mail day, like under the wire. But I was launching a pattern in the middle of all of that, so it got pushed back a little longer than I would have liked to, but it's still in time for mail day, so that's fine. But I'm so excited to finally open this, and I wanted to make sure to video it so that you guys can see my initial reaction. Oh, here we go! Moment of truth! Okay, there's two pieces. There's two bags in here. These are the scraps. She asked me if I would want to keep the scraps, and I said yes, so she's sending me back the scraps. And I'm going to read the letter first, okay? She says, Amy, I'm praying this fits. I tried to do my best. I wanted to do something completely different and change up the look of the original dress. Decided to go with a romper! I love rompers! I recently tested the Orchid Midi by Chalk and Notch and really liked it. I had an idea to turn the skirt portion into shorts, but someone told me there was already a tutorial on how you can make a jumpsuit using the parasol pants from Ensemble Patterns. To make my job easier, I decided to do that. Things I kept were the button placement and the skirt hem from the original. So the bodice, she used the Orchid Midi, and the shorts, she used the parasol pants. Thanks for the fun challenge. She also made me a scrunchie. I've been wanting to make scrunchies. I'm so into scrunchies lately. Okay, here it goes. I don't know what these patterns are, so oh my gosh. Y'all, this is so cute. I cannot wait to put it on and see if it fits. I love that she kept the original buttons. There are these really sweet covered buttons that match the fabric. And she put her cute little tag in there. And it has these cute little ruffle sleeves with the contrast on the inside. And you guys, oh, it's a petal sleeve. You know what's so funny is last year for the Restyling Exchange, Jackie made me a Farrah top that has these ruffles on the sleeves with contrasting fabric on the inside. So great. And she used my contrasting fabric for the waist tie as well. This is just so adorable. Oh, for a minute I thought there was pockets, and there aren't. That's okay. I have to go try this on right now to see if it fits. I'm so excited. I'm going to just put this scrunchie in my hair this very second because it's so cute. And thank you, Michele. You did such a good job. I'm so excited. Here she is, y'all. This is so stinking cute. I'm gonna do another video and like my proper stuff, but I just wanted to try it on real quick to show you guys how it looks and talk about the fit. Michele was very, very bold to just make a romper for someone that she does not have their body with them, because rompers and jumpsuits are notoriously tricky for fitting. So I have to give Michele 2 thumbs up because this is very, very close fit. It's a little tight in here. I can get it on, and it's actually not bad when I sit down, but it's like really going up my butt. So I think she gave me that bag of scraps. So I think I'm going to take this apart because this casing is like sewed into the seam and then turned and top stitched down. I don't know how much you can see, but I think I'm going to take this apart and add maybe about an inch and a half across the middle and make that the new casing. So I'll just add that piece and then do a second piece on top that will have an opening like this, so I can still have my cute little tie and I'll be able to move a little bit more. Also, the underarms are super tight. I talk about this a lot. I'm really picky about my underarms. I have a very deep arm tie, I'm learning, because a lot of underarms are tight on me, and I thought for the longest time that it was just like the style, like just how people draft things with crazy tight underarms, and then I'm realizing now that it's my body. Not that it's a bad thing that it's my body, that's just the way my body is. So I just really don't like anything touching my underarms. This is like up in there. So this is a super easy fix because it's just stitched and serged. So I'll just lower this a little bit. I'll lose some of my flounce at the bottom, but that's okay. Because I still have this cuteness on the sleeves right here. Very cute. And really that's it. Like, that's all. I think I will probably end up shortening the shorts a tad, just because I like to show my legs. And that's it. It's so cute, you guys. I'm so excited. So I'm going to make those edits before I do the final finishing photographs. But I just want to show y'all what it looks like. Hello everyone! I'm so excited to share with you what Michele made me for the Restyling Exchange. It is so cute. I know I have my first reaction photo video linked or played before this, but I wanted to go have a video to go over a little bit more of the details because she was so smart with this exchange. First of all, she kept the main bodice is from the original garment, which I'll put a picture of up, and she kept the original fabric covered buttons, which are so sweet and so cute. I was hoping, I almost left her a note saying please keep the original buttons, but I didn't want to give her too much criteria or anything, so I just let it be and cross my fingers, and she did, and I love it. She used the contrast fabric I sent her for the underneath of the sleeve ruffle. Last year for the exchange, Jackie made me a Farrah top and used, not fabric I gave her, but it has ruffles with contrast on the inside. So funny. So I'm going to post that picture of that as well so you guys can see. 2 years in a row, sleeves with ruffles and cute contrast fabric. So me. She also used the contrast fabric for the facing, which I love, and she put her little tag in there, which is so fun. It's so fun to have something that someone else made with their tag in it. And she used the contrast for the tie as well. Now, she also, the bottom of the shorts was the original hem, I believe, but I actually ended up going back and hemming them a little bit more to make them a little bit shorter. They were a little long on me, so that is no longer the original hem. And then another change I did is the way this was originally constructed was the shorts and the bodice were seamed together with a little strip of fabric in that seam that is then folded down and top stitched to create the casing. This was a little short on me in the torso, as you saw, so I took that apart and just added a full strip of casing in the middle. It's not as clean as the original looked. It does a little bit of this like bubbling, but when you're wearing it, it's not really noticeable. Something super smart that she did that I love, that you can't see, that I didn't even know until I took this apart to do the new channel, is in the middle of this tie, in the back, is a strip of elastic that is just genius. It makes it so much more comfortable to wear when you pull it snug against your body. You have a little bit more like breathing and sitting room. Michele, so smart. I love this. I can't wait to wear it. I might wear it this weekend. We're going to see some family members. So another successful restyling exchange, I would say. A great before and after transformation. Something else that Michele made me with this scrap fabric is this cute matching scrunchie. I don't know if you could see it. And then she also sent me all of the fabric scraps back, and I made myself some cute matching earrings. I'm like full on obsessed with the fabric scrap earrings. I have so many ideas of what different kinds of earrings I can make. This is a new style. It's got a little double ruffle. I don't know if I would call that a ruffle. Loop, a double loop. So when I wear them all together, as I did in the video before, just magic happens. Love it, love it, love it. Of course, I cannot finish this video without some dancing. Thanks so much, Michele. I love my exchange. Happy sewing, everyone. I got this